Today I have to do some modifications to this bag, the Trailblazer convertible backpack that I made. I'm sending it to my sister as a gift, and she wants the little key holder thing. So I'm just going to fold this strip of fabric and add the swivel hook here, and I'm going to add a rivet, and I'm going to attach it using a rivet too, because I don't want to have to take all this apart. So I opened the zipper pocket here. You know, this is where you birth the packet. You birth the bag through this opening. So I opened it again so that I can get my hand in there. I think I'm going to try to add the rivet there for the key. So let me try that. Using my Kamsnap table press. Oh, this is the hole punch. I know I'm being kind of lazy, but I hope this works. I don't know if it's gonna work. You know what? I may have to do it here right at the bottom of the zipper pocket, because I don't think I can get the die in there for the corner right next to the zipper pocket. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it right there at the bottom. That's a little hole right there. I went ahead and I stitched the strip together here to hold the swivel hook, and I'm just going to open a hole here at the top on the other side of the strip of fabric. Okay, now let me install the rivets. So here are the rivets, and I already changed the die. So what I'm going to try to do is install this right here where the little hole is. So, oh, where is my, yeah. And I need this too. So the back of the rivet goes back here, and I'm going to insert the strip of fabric and the rivet right here through the lining fabric, and here's on the back. And now here is the top of the rivet, and I'm just gonna place it there, kind of in place, but I have to flip it because the die is upside down. So okay, I think I got it. There it is. Okay, and there it is. It's attached, and now I just close the zipper again, the zipper pocket. Just stitch it again, and that's it. My little key holder is in there. So here it is. Look how nice. And she can put her keys there, and so the keys don't fall to the bottom of the bag, and they're always in place. And I also made the zipper a little bit shorter because it was way long. It was like reaching the bottom here. So I just cut it and added the zipper tab. And now the zipper's still long, but not too long. So big enough that you can open the bag. And it's ready to go to its owner.